Hello, nosy people. Since my mom's the online, I come spread propaganda pa me. I come talk about bedtime and this. Listen, first of all, this woman I call my mother just drink a whole glass of wine, so she can't see the time correctly. About 9:58, my bedtime at 10 p.m. Pantapa it, New Year's I come, so me I try help her, and I take out all of the little whole woman clothes what she have in here, so and I try surprise her with some nice good body dressing clothes where I come. Ain't she a come spread rumors about me, and a chat about me. Cause she just dash the clothes then in you fi learn fi fall. Cook and the nice pants you quite crush up. Me are the original Jamaican boss baby. Royce, oh no, please don't forget me are. You can't go out pan road and look any type of way for the New Year's, you know. Clothes have to change. Look on this, mums. Me nah go tell you this one more time, you know. Me nah go tell you this again.